Which expression represents 6 times the product of 4 and the difference of 12 and 8? 6 times the product of 4 and the difference of 12 and 8. So this is going to be kind of crazy. All right, so first things first, let's go from the inside. Let's do the difference of 12 and 8 first. Difference means minus. So 12 minus 8 is going to be the difference of 12 and 8. Now, we need to find the product of 4 and that. So hold on. So 4 times that, which means I have to put you in a group. So I'm going to put you in parentheses. And I need to find the product. Product means times. So the product of 4 and that difference is going to be 4 times that group. Now, I have to do 6 times all of that. So we're going to put you in your own group. Now we already used parentheses, so let's move to brackets. And we're going to do 6 times that. So we end up with 6 times a bracket, 4 times a parentheses, 12 minus 8, close the parentheses, close the bracket, and in this case the answer is A.